let me be precise. The first thing that I learned in my civil engineering, that is the first year when I joined campus, is the safety feature. During my first year in civil engineering, I learned something that focuses on the safety of the workers, the safety of the client, the safety of everyone who is concerned or everyone who is related to that project, whether directly or indirectly. Safety is key. By safety, you cover so much, a lot. We don't want a situation whereby workers are working on a construction site, then you get some people getting injured there, people getting hurt. That is very bad. We don't want a situation whereby a building has just been completed. I was seeing another building somewhere there around CBD. That building has now, it's almost completed, but it can't be used. You know why? Because they messed up somewhere. The second that I learned on my civil engineering is reliability and quality. When constructing a structure, you really need to be working on whether the structure is going to be reliable, or you are just going to work on something that is not even going to provide what it's intended for. You see, people want quality, people want reliability on the product that you're going to develop. When developing a structure as a civil engineer, you really need to put the reliability fact in position. I hope you've understood that. The third thing that I learned is cost effectiveness. There are people known as quantity surveyors in the construction industry, or in anything that is related to construction. There are people known as quantity surveyors. These people usually come and calculate the cost infrastructure of the whole project, or an estimate of what the project is going to cost. These people are going to come and do that. So as a civil engineer, in your designs, you should be instilling, or you should have in mind, the effect of a high cost of a project to the client, or maybe even to you. We don't want a situation whereby the client is asked to pay 2 million while he or she can also get the same product for around 1 million, and it's the same quality. No, that's very bad. When you design such an element or such an item, it's going to get no buyers. Yeah, that's another thing that engineers really need to put into consideration when designing stuff. Another thing that I learned, and it's something that has been evolving over the years, and it's something that the governments are trying to instill in their everyday activities, and that is sustainability. We are trying to conserve the environment. We are trying our best to make sure that we have a clean environment, an environment that is going to serve even the future generations, and that is what we are trying to put into consideration while designing anything as engineers. Yeah, that's it. So I think I'm done. Those are the 4 things that I learned. If you find this very informative and very attractive, be sure to click the subscribe button, click share. You can revisit this site again. Yeah, you're very welcome.